told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. And I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I kinda fucked up my whole teenage life. It's just all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit out. It's just gonna show me where I go, just like a new
Flurry sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. No way for home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. It's just all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit out. It's just gonna show me where I go, just like a new you. And life is nothing but a single song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. And life is nothing but a single song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. Told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. And I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I kinda fucked up my whole teenage life. It's just all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit out. It's just gonna show me where I go, just like a new
Flurry sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. No way for home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. It's just all these years I